Itsura pa lang ng phone na ito, di mo iisipin na budget gaming phone lang siya. Ito yung bagong release ng itel which is the RS4. Una sa lahat, budget gaming phone siya and yung processor niya is yung MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate. Based on my testing, solid yung gaming performance niya. Naka-ultra graphics pa yung ML dito and high frame rate and wala siyang lag. Solid din yung performance niya sa mga ibang games tulad ng Free Fire. Up to 256GB yung storage niya and 12GB yung RAM niya. Expandable then up to 24GB via memory fusion. Yung screen size niya ay 6.6 HD display with 120Hz high refresh rate. So that means fluid yung scrolling niya and animation sa screen. Meron din siyang iBoost game engine feature so you can fine-tune your gaming experience to your liking. If you have more questions about the itel RS4, comment lang kayo and I will answer them. Natuwa ako sa phone na ito dahil sa performance niya while gaming considering its price. Super worth it niya lalo na kung mahilig kang mag-game sa phone mo.